453 Pakistani pilgrims who recently returned from Iran have now tested positive for coronavirus. They were among the 1,160 pilgrims who were declared negative last week and had been sent back to their respective districts. Now, the district administration had conducted thermal screening for all pilgrims on March the 20th and had separated those who showed symptoms of the virus, according to local media reports. The pilgrims were later quarantined for 15 days. They later were sent to their respective districts after they started protesting. The total number of coronavirus cases in Pakistan has sharply increased to 4,601, while the death toll has reached 66. Pakistan is concerned over the rise in cases despite the partial lockdown in place in the country for more than 2 weeks. Now, that has badly hit the poor and affected the economy. Earlier, the government also refused to evacuate the 600 Pakistani students who were stranded in China's Wuhan province, where the pandemic began. Now, we are joined by our Pakistan Bureau Chief, Anas Malik, for more on this. Good evening to you, Anas. 453 Pakistani pilgrims have now tested positive for the coronavirus. This is not good news. What is the latest you have for us?
Absolutely, Alison. Pakistan's positive COVID cases count has crossed 4,600 and it currently stands at 4,603 as we speak, and about 68 deaths have been reported. But this 453 pilgrims is a test case, or is a case study that the Pakistani administration is now undertaking because they returned from Iran on the 20th of March, and then they were shifted to Multan from Taftan on the same day. Now, later onwards, on the 4th of April, they were allowed, these 453 pilgrims, they were allowed to go, a batch of about 1,160 pilgrims, they were allowed to go to their districts and be quarantined in the district centers. Now, they were earlier being held at the Multan quarantine center. That was basically the hub of for those who are coming in from Taftan and being shifted to Punjab. Those who are residents of Punjab were being shifted to either Multan or either to DG Khan. So 1,160 pilgrims were tested through thermal scanning, to which in the initial test they were tested not positive, and they were tested negative for COVID-19. As a reason of which they were being shifted to their respective districts for quarantine. And during that period, initially 3 patients, though among the 1,160, they came out positive, and then tests were conducted among all of the other 1,157 remaining, and among that 453 pilgrims have tested positive. Now that basically shows about the lack of testing infrastructure that Pakistan has had over the time. It's been over a week now since these people who were tested positive, they are being treated. But the government of Pakistan and the government of Punjab, they're saying that now they're going for aggressive testing. Pakistan is currently doing about 14 to 1,500 tests in the province of Punjab on daily basis. The province of Sindh is conducting about 600 tests on daily basis. So the emphasis is now on, due to this revelation coming to light, that 450 pilgrims who were earlier declared negative have now tested positive. Now the Pakistani administration is harping or eyeing that they will be going for rigorous testing, and that is what is the need of the hour. Yes, Alison.
Thanks very much for that report. Anas Malik coming to us live from Pakistan with the latest on COVID-19 there.